I certainly wouldn't want to cross paths with this black kitty. Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? Black Zana here, and welcome back to another random builds review. For this video, we are going to be reviewing is the already built Black Lion from the Voltron Minipla set. So here we are, and there it is. Black Lion here is piloted by Keith, the leader of the group. First it was someone else, but excuse me if I'm a little tied to the classics. But anyway, I have to say Black Lion did turn out pretty much okay when we built him in the last two videos. I know he was a bit more bigger than green, blue, and yellow. Still have to deal with red in the next one. But all in all, I do think he turned out pretty nice after all the construction we did to him. Now, as far as he's the leader of this group for Black Lion, he does have the chest piece here on his belly, which becomes the chest of Voltron, and which also means he forms the actual center. And of course, that also means some combining, but we'll get that into the video once all this is done. There's a bit of parts forming, though. I know that much. So, Black Lion does have some articulation going into this, but the joints when we built him, they're really tight. And I really don't want to go breaking him. So for starters, he does have a back thigh going in and out. Bit of a thigh swivel there. Well, that feels loose. Not broken, but loose. Decently good. Paws can move front or back. Bend at the knee. Sort of. Yeah, that's a tight joint. Ugh. Again, I don't want to break him. It's got something of a waist in two places. Got the ball joint crunch ab. And a swivel right at his pelvis. Sometimes these things just don't work out for me. I don't know why, but they just don't. You can position his back wings however way you want it. You can try to unfold them and make it look like that he's flying. Sort of. Make it look like he's a griffin. I try not to dare move these. Try to get to move forward, move back, up and down. And basically the same for the front of the legs. Pretty much the same as the rear. Neck is on a ball joint, connected to the flap, of course. So you can make it move any which way. There's also, you can also move it head and down, but that joint is mostly for transformation. You can try to move the mouth. Give a big roar right there. And of course that also holds the face of Voltron, so he doesn't get a second head. Just a transformation one. But all in all, that's pretty much it for Black Lion's movements. As far as the figure goes, he is kind of great in a way. And that being said, he also comes with a few attachments, such as his two cannons. You just plug right onto the shoulder. Yeah, try to get some oil in this. And come on, I know you can connect. I'm gonna disconnect one leg here just to get this on, because I really don't want to break it. Okay, that's one cannon. So reattach. Please don't snap. Alright. Probably do the same with the other side. Oh yeah, that's a bit tight. And of course, his own unique mouse blade. Now there's not really much of a peg connection. You just open up his mouth like so. I can just say stick it in the jaw, close the mouth, and he just holds it like that. Of course, if you also wanted to, for storage reasons, if you don't want to lose them, just take these right off and put these weapons right back. Yeah, sorry, Black, but I've got to take your weapon out. It does have the blade does have a few peg holes on one side, which you can tab the cannons right in. That's one. That's two. Make it look like some sort of a unknown ship with thrusters or whatever. Try to give them a additional firepower at the mouth, but I don't see that going in. It's already bumping into his head as it is. But it's something you can do if you want, which is no biggie. And I really don't have any problems with that. But still, this is looking like a great figure. Alright. Okay. I know this is a bit short than I did with the other lines, but my time is a bit pressed. So before I go, there's still one last thing to do. And that's a bit of a hat draw. And seeing as there's only one slip left, and there's only one line left to this set. So, next time we'll be doing is, of course, Red Lion. So, okay. That being said, I'm going to end here. This is Black Xana saying Tower Deactivated. I'll be back with many more good videos. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't. And I will see you all until next time. Bye.
So, Megatron, how are you liking these colored lions so far?
How do I like them? I hate these stupid beasts. I mean, seriously, just look at them. You had one biting on one of your Autobots' heads, another climbing on Bug Boy's back.
Would you please be careful where you point that thing?
No! And don't even get me started with that green one.
What about Black?
What are you, racist? Like I'm gonna lose my head over some. Why are you walking away? Get back here so I can. Uh-oh. Oh, for Primus sakes! He was right behind me the entire time, wasn't he? This is gonna hurt. Again. I'll make you pay for this, Prime! Not the head! Oh, you stupid mechanical cat! My head is not a chew toy!